I love it.
It's actually flexible, very easy. I'm actually the admin of FieldCo's head.
I'm a put driver.
I can actually sit here and monitor them wherever they have the time.
I was so happy. I take many people out in this office. When we buy for maybe 15,000 between 2 days, fuel up down. Then tell the DC that they are going to Banana Island. From there they'll say, okay, please sharply take me to so place. These people will not know. Now if I'm on my location now, they will know how ETAP will work well.
Even if they are not online, when they come into the office having connected to Wi-Fi, everything just uploads. So that makes it much more interesting.
I am the executive assistant to the MD. I'll recommend ETAP insurance 100% fully because of the claim process. No need of calling someone to hack you, snap a picture of your vehicle, choose the list of mechanics they have and send your card in. Simple as that.
ETAP for Business, your long-term partner for growth.